Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm hosting a Pink Gingerbread Challenge Giveaway, and I must receive your item by November 30th, and then I will have the drawing on December 1st. Depending on how many people enter, I will do a $25 to PayPal, and then 2 micro gingerbread planners that I made, and I did do a video reveal on those if you want to find that video. I just noticed right here it says from my show. It should say shop, but it got cut off when I cut it. Anyway, so whoever wants to enter, they must include pink in their colors and can include things associated with gingerbread, such as candy, gingerbread house, baking cookies, etc. Anything in your mind that ties to a gingerbread for those who want to enter. And to be entered, they must mail me either a gingerbread dangle or 6 gingerbread die cuts with 3 layers minimum. So I'm really excited. I do have some entries that have come in, so this is my first reveal today to show you what people have sent, so I'm excited. Okay, this is from Rosa, and she is Cute Little Keepsake on Instagram and YouTube. And these are all glue dotted to the page, so I'm not going to take them all off, but look how cute. Cute little Gingy, and she's done this out of the glitter cardstock, the outline. And look, she's holding a whisk, and she's got a hat. And then this cute little Gingy, I love the deer cookie. And look at this gingerbread with a candy cane. And look at this little doll. Oh my heck, is she cute or what? And then here's another Gingy with glitter frosting here. That is so cute. And then this is one of the Prima dolls. Oh my gosh. And the colors are just perfect. Pink, blue, and brown. Oh, Rosa, I love that. Thank you so much. So I will put everyone who I'm showing today, I will put their links in my description box for YouTube and Instagram, or whichever they have. Okay. All right. The next one comes from Erica. She is Erica Uribe 93 on YouTube. Okay. And she has sent, look how cute these are. That's got a piece of glitter right there that came off the cookie. That's okay. These are so cute as well. Look. So here's a cute little Gingy with a hat. Another Gingy. Let's see. Here's a hat that came off. This came off something. I guess we could put it right there. We'll assume it goes right there. Another cute little Gingy. Look, she's done the buttons out of pattern paper. What a cute idea. Antlers. Cookie. Another Gingy holding a candy cane. And look at this baker Gingy. Isn't she darling? I love how the pockets have the glitter. And then this cute little Gingy as well with sparkly buttons. Very, very cute. Love that, Erica. Thank you. Okay, and number 3 is from Aurelia, and she is lollypopkreationz on Instagram. And she's got them in this cute little, oh, she's made a little pocket to put them in. Isn't that cute? Let me show you this pocket. Look at that. That is darling. Oh, these are cute. Okay, a little Gingy girl holding a candy cane. Look at this little pocket. That's darling. Oh, and this one's cute too. So it's the same die, but she's just made each one look a little different. Look, this one has the pocket up here. This one has a dress. This one has overalls. Isn't that cute? With a little Gingy baby. Oh my gosh. This one's holding a mug. So cute. I hope I'm in frame. I think I am. And this one holding a sucker. Cute face. And this one with again with the pocket and the little baby. Oh my gosh. Those are adorable. Thank you so much, Aurelia. Love those. Just going to put those back in here. Very cute. Okay, and then next is from Kristen. She is Crafts by Chris on YouTube. She says her YouTube channel is fairly new. And she did send me quite a little pile here. So thank you for that, Kristen. Okay, so look at this darling card that she made. It's got Santa's Sweet Shop, a stocking. This is, you know, she's made a strip of paper and she's put foam under it to make these pop up foam. Snowflakes with little dots, little sequin dots in the middle. Aren't those cute? Not sequins, jewels. And then she's left it blank so I can use it. That is adorable. And there is her handle on YouTube and Instagram, but I will put those in the link. So cute, Kristen. Thank you. And look at this cute Gingy bag. Oh my gosh. And look at this, you guys. Paper clip with a cute little tag. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. Let's see what's in this darling bag. Oh my gosh. She has made the chunkiest. I had a tiny glimpse of this that popped up on in my YouTube feed, but I didn't want to watch it. I wanted to be surprised because she did a reveal video before she mailed this out. You guys. Okay, Kristen, you have to tell us where you got this. Look at, can you see this Christmas tree charm holder or clasp? Kristen, we have to know where you got that. Let's look at all the goodies on here. This is one little chunky monkey, and it is adorable. Okay, so it was tied on, so it would stay in place. The tie's still on there, but that's okay. Okay, look. A little cookie sheet with cookies. I've never seen that before. Darling beads. Cute as heck. Then she's done some he-she beads with some other beads and a little Christmas tree, and all these pinks are just adorable. Cute little, look at this Gingy. So cute. And then a gingerbread house, peppermint candy, more dangles and beads. There's a star cookie cutter, the little Gingy cookie cutter. I have some of these too. I love them. More little cute little beads, snowflake. And this is just the tie it's just stuck on there. I just need to cut it off. And then look at that pink snowflake. That's darling too. And look at this. So cute. It's heavy. That's really cute. And then she's made this cute card, this, you know, holder to put it on. She's popped it up with foam. And then she's made a bow and put a gingerbread house there. Isn't this adorable? Thank you so much, Kristen. One of these would have been plenty, but thank you so much. Okay, let's see what she's got here. This looks like a cookie sheet with some cute die cuts on there. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, so this is a cookie tray, and she's put like clear glaze on here, and then with sprinkles and little clay pieces, cute flower, homemade, a whisk. The bake is puffed up with foam, and then a little hand mitt. Oh my gosh, and look at this little Gingy bow, so cute. And then that's the bag topper, and then here are the cookies on the sheet. This is so cute. I love it. Everybody is just doing such a great job. This is so fun. And so I love how she's glued these little balls on these to look like sprinkles. Star, candy cane, bell, house, snowflake, and tree. Aren't those cute? Well, Kristen, you really outdid yourself. Thank you so much. I love it. Love, love. I wish I could make dangles like that. I never get mine that chunky. I just need to, I guess I just need to have more patience and put more things on than what I do. But isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. I might have to put that on my purse for the holidays. Thank you, Kristen. I love it. Love, love. Okay, we have one more for this video. This is from Davina. And if you know Davina, she is Little Pink Crafter. She's very, very talented. She said this turned into more of a rack than an entry. Yeah, look at the box, you guys. What does that tell you? So I'm just now opening this. I wanted to be surprised. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute bag. I don't know if she ironed that on herself, but isn't that cute? I'm going to pull this up a little bit. And then here's a little peppermint. That's cute. And this is, oh my gosh, this is a silicone baking mat. Wow. That is neat. Thank you. I don't have one of those. Thank you, Davina. Okay, let's see what's in this cute little bag here. I'm just going to put it in my lap and then pull things out, okay? Okay, so she's got shred in here. Oh my heck, you guys, look at what a good idea. This is those foam trays that you get like at the grocery store sometimes with your meat or whatever, you know. I wonder if she got these on Amazon. And look, she has hand stitched or machine stitched a cute little design all the way around. And gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. Oh my heck, look at that. And look at these cookies. They've got foam, so they're really thick. Aren't they adorable? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Should I take it out of the package? Isn't that adorable? Oh, Davina, those are as cute as can be. This just gives me some good ideas for the gingerbread swap I'm in. I love how she used the little clay beads for the buttons. And then little balls. Oh my heck, this is just adorable. And this tag, let's take the tag off too. I can reuse that. Oh my heck, that's so cute. It looks like it's embossed. And then with, I'm trying to look for what this is called, you guys, when you make it shiny with that stuff. I have some, but I just don't see it. Oh, glossy accents. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, that is super cute, Davina. My garbage is so full it won't even, it's overflowing in my craft room. Oh my goodness. Now, also in the bag, oh, are these adorable jingle bells. And I love anything pink. And look at this cute little flower. And, oh, one of these cute little deer from Hobby Lobby. And a heart foam piece. And then a couple more bells and another one of those peppermints. Aren't those cute? And they're just put in here with some shred, if you can see that. Cute. Okay, let's see. There's still a few more things in here. I don't want to throw them away. Another flower, a tiny little foam heart. That's adorable. More foam hearts. That's a cute idea to use these foam hearts for Christmas as well. I thought they were just for Valentine's, but oh my gosh, what a great idea to just use them anytime, right? And for Christmas. Oh, so cute. I'm still hearing something rattle in here. Oh, there's another bell. My shred was rattling. Okay, there's the bells and all the little goodies that she had mixed in with the shred. Oh, Davina, that is so cute. Such a cute way to package. Okay, and thank you for that. All right, oh my gosh, she has made a purse. Oh, it's the gingerbread purse from Scrap Diva. Look how cute. Look at this little itty bitty shaker. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my heck. Let me just move it closer for a minute. And this little gingy shaker, and I love how she's put all this, there's crepe paper and then tulle that she's gathered. Boy, what a lot of work. And then a cute bow. And then, well, I'll show you that in a minute. And then there's the back. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that's so cute. What? OMG. Okay, I'm just going to take this stuff out. Okay, so there's the purse. I did not get this die. Now I'm wishing I would have. I've just got so many purse dies, you know. Look at this, you guys. Made out of felt. She has sewn it and put some stuffing in it. Look at her little tutu. And this says candy canes and a darling bow with a gingy. And she's put the little clay pieces in her hair. I love this tulle. It's so sparkly. Oh, and rickrack for the icing. Isn't she cute? She's going to be in my craft room right where I can see her. And then she gave me a cute sprinkle mix with a darling spoon. And there's a little wood gingy in there, like among the sprinkles. What a cute idea that is. Isn't that darling sprinkle mix? There's Santas, snowflakes, clay pieces, little hearts. Oh, gosh, that's cute. Thank you. I can definitely use that. And then here's a bag topper. Isn't she adorable? Oh, I love her. And she made her into a shaker as well. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, Davina. Thank you so much. You really outdid yourself. Thank you, thank you. All right, so that'll be it for today. And I will link all these talented ladies in my description box. Please visit their Instagram and their YouTubes and follow them. Give them some likes and watch some of their videos so that they can have some viewing time as well. And I appreciate these ladies who've entered my giveaway. I'm excited to see how this goes, and I hope you're all having a great day, and thanks for watching, and please come back. Bye for now.